Hello everyone. Really quick tip here. I've been looking at some of the poster layouts that's coming on board on the Uploader page, and one in particular gave me a really great idea for handling multiple images in one layout. Okay, so here's my poster blank page here, and let's say I'm doing a poster on, college drinking, college party and alcohol. So I found a couple of pictures. Maybe I want to use this picture and this picture and that picture. Okay. Well, you don't want to bring them in your Photoshop layout and then do stuff like this to try to get everything to fit, because then it's not going to, work. You're trying to squish things in an area and there's really no true definition to the images. So another tip, a great suggestion that I have for you is to use clipping. Okay, clipping one layer through the other. So here's a great idea for the clipping. I'm going to take a rectangle tool right here, and I'm going to place the rectangle. Let's say I want all the images across there like that. I can even have a little bit of overhang on the left and right side. That's fine. And because this is a shape layer, I can readjust the size any way that I want. So now here's my shape layer. Now I'm going to go get the images. I'll start with this one first, okay? And you want to make sure that the image is above the shape layer. Remember, the top shows to the bottom. On this top image one, Command Option G to clip. So now what's happening is, zoom in so you can see, the image is showing through the rectangle without me having to, squish or squash it or resize it. Okay, if I wanted to resize it, I can. So now I'm resizing on the image layer. I can make it maybe a little bit smaller, place it right there. Okay, now I'm going to go get the other image. I'll get this one. Okay, drag it, drop it, and same thing. Notice in my layers it automatically clipped. So now I have these two images showing within this shape layer without me having to, squish or squash them. I'll put this one here so it goes behind. Okay. And then that way I can, really focus on, the rest of the composition without having to distort any of the images. Okay. I can take this shape layer, because it is a separate layer. I can still add my layer effects to it, so I can double click it. Maybe I want to give this a stroke and zoom it in so you can see. Okay, so I'm on my stroke layer style. I can give this a larger stroke. It can be in whatever color I want. Maybe I want the red from the cup. Okay, I can even give this a drop shadow if I wanted to. Remember, with drop shadows you can position it right on the document. I can adjust that, adjust the spread, adjust the distance. Okay, and then now that I have that, now here's the thing. If I want to move this whole thing down a little bit, if I go like that, I'm only moving the shape layer. So instead, I'm going to put all three of these layers, this one, that one, that one. I'm holding the Command key to select all of them, and I can put them in a folder right down there. Okay, that way as I'm moving the folder, I'm moving everything, but I can open up the folder and adjust these pieces individually. Okay, I don't think I want the drop shadow. There we go. And then just finish it off with some kind of text. And maybe the text can be the same color as that red. Okay, so Right there, there is a great way to get multiple images within a layout without having to squish or squash or smush it up to fit. Okay? So enjoy. Keep working at it.